Hello everyone, I'm going to be doing a kind of more creative makeup look. I'm going to do a super stained lip in the center, really rosy cheeks, and then kind of blue accents underneath the eye. That's kind of my vision. Super like naked natural skin, and then a pretty bold brow as well. So let's get into it. Step number one will be brows. Really get in there, brushing the brow hairs up. For this look, I'm going for kind of a tired eye, so I'm not going to be putting on any foundation. I'm gonna go right to the blush. I'm taking the Benefit Benetint in Rosy. I'm gonna focus it right on the apples and the tip of the nose as well. Adding onto the cheeks, I'm taking another tint by Benefit. This is in Cha Cha, and this is a more orange color. Next will be the ColourPop Cream to Matte blush in Count Me In. And this, I'm going to pat right over all of that, just in the center. Bringing it up towards my eye just a little bit more on this one. For this look, I'm going for something very fairy-like. So I'm taking some chapstick, and I'm going to put this kind of as a highlight because we're gonna put glitter all along the cheeks. This glitter pot, I forgot what brand this is. Stila, I think. This is the color Kitten. Pat that all along the cheekbone up into the brow bone. Judy! Here's Juju. Now for the lips, because I just want to see how this is gonna look if I need to up the volume on the cheeks. Take it just in the center. And this is the same orange lip stain. And go way over your lip line. Then I'm gonna take this Lipstick Queen. It's a pretty coral lip color, and I'm gonna pat that over the stain. I think I'm even gonna take a little bit of the lipstick on my finger and pat it that same spot. We almost want it to kind of look like a nutcracker feel. You know, the little like circled rosy cheeks. That's what we're going for. The eye, I'm gonna take a shimmery cream color. This is from the Lime Crime palette, the Venus one. I'm taking this kind of white shade. I'm gonna pat that over the lid and really get it over my eyelashes as well, because we're not gonna be putting mascara on. Then I'm taking some loose glitter and I'm gonna pat that over the blue. I'm gonna take the glitter from Stila again, and I'm gonna put this on the inner corner. The last step I'm gonna do is kind of retouch up this little beauty mark that I have. I'm just gonna take a felt liner and just... Oh, this kind of turned out more like Marie Antoinette slash the clown emoji more than a fairy. But I'm not mad about it, because I feel like I would wear this. I'd wear this out. The final results. That sparkle on my chin. It's something that I wouldn't normally do. It's definitely more more of a creative everyday look, but it's still very wearable. Like, I definitely think you could wear this, especially maybe not the blue on the bottom, but if you did like an orange or a pink, which I feel like is a more everyday color. Definitely didn't turn out how I thought it would, but it's still pretty cool, and I like how it turned out. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.